Federal employees, big news, and it involves the Supreme Court. Ever hear about the Office of Special Counsel, the agency that protects whistleblowers and investigates ethics violations? Well, President Trump has just fired its leader, Hampton Dellinger, without showing cause, and the court's already pushing back. Hi, my name is Sean Southworth. I'm an attorney who represents federal employees, and I'm here to give you the real story on why this matters, how it could impact the independence of every federal agency, and why it's already at the Supreme Court. The law says that a special counsel can only be removed for things like inefficiency, neglect of duty, or malfeasance in office. That's to keep politics out of whistleblower protection. But Trump removed Mr. Dellinger without citing any reason, just a quick email. A judge then issued a temporary restraining order, essentially telling the White House not so fast, put him back for now. The administration immediately appealed, and the appeal court also ruled against the president and the administration. And now we're waiting to see if the Supreme Court will let Trump permanently fire him anyway. This isn't just about one person's job. It's about whether the president can ignore Congress's rules for independent agencies. There's a big 1935 case called Humphrey's Executor that stopped FDR from doing something similar. More recent decisions suggest it's possible the Supreme Court majority could try to limit or maybe even overturn that old precedent. If that happens, the president could, in the worst case, get near unlimited power to fire independent agency heads. That means less protection for whistleblowers and less nonpartisan oversight across government. Well, what do you think of this? I think it's time to let the Supreme Court know now. Use resist.bot to let them know to protect Mr. Dellinger. Type the word resist to 50409, and select the Supreme Court as the recipient. Personally, like all of the courts to decide this matter so far, I think the firing was illegal. Independent agencies are supposed to be independent for a reason, to defend the public from political swings. If the president can fire watchdog officials at will, we risk losing crucial checks and balances. So that's the scoop. We'll know soon if the Supreme Court will uphold the restraining order and keep the statutory protections, or if they'll open the door for more presidential control. Stay informed, because as an attorney for federal employees, I can tell you this: if these independent roles vanish, your rights and protections could be next. Again, thank you so much for joining me. My mission here is to help you make sense of these legal issues so you know about your rights and so our democracy stays healthy. Please drop your questions below and hit follow for more updates as the case folds, and please share this. Also consider joining our newsletter, the first link in my link tree, to keep getting updates regardless of the algorithm. We're going to do a daily email that points to all of our social media posts. It also points to 3 news articles we think everybody should know about, mindfulness tips, and just a legal tip for the day. So hope you find that helpful. Hope you find all of this helpful. Thank you, everybody, for your support, and hope you have a good rest of your day.